Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Smolensk. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we modernized and started replacing outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 25 years, and I know well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace technically unsuitable equipment independently, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. The plan of modernization was also to buy a machine for packaging PVC blisters with capsules into cardboard boxes. The packaging machine is used as part of automatic lines, at the final stage or separately. The choice of machine depends on the materials used and the desired output. The blisters with capsules are placed in the finished cardboard boxes, according to the technological process of carton packaging. The blister packing process itself, or cartoner, is carried out in white cardboard boxes of 4 blisters. The old machine was constantly being repaired, and sometimes we could not deliver the drug to the customer on time. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in picking up and remaining contacts of some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I contacted the manufacturers by telephone to find out whether they could produce a machine for packaging PVC blisters with capsules into cardboard boxes. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment as the main criteria. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for a PVC blister carton packaging machine, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. After 5 days I received from them in the mail 10 different options for packaging PVC blisters with capsules in a cardboard box, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in the decision to find the equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the material of bottles, told me about the terms of delivery. At the stage of consultation, he suggested the equipment for packing PVC blisters with capsules into a carton box, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the enterprise. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. A specialist from the company offered to test the machine and asked to send blisters of our boxes and blisters with capsules. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before the delivery and sent a video where we could see our equipment. At the processing line, a group of blisters came on a conveyor belt. Next, a sheet of paper instructions was inserted into the group with a special device which contained information about the drug's prescription, method of administration and side effects. After that, rectangular boxes were formed, and the process of packing blisters with capsules was carried out. The equipment has a modern system of control through the LCD screen. The working area is covered with plastic shields to eliminate the influence of external factors. A month after signing the contract, we received the machine for packaging PVC blisters with capsules into cardboard boxes. The manager provided the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operating instructions. We assembled the machine and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine within a week. We were satisfied with the equipment, though frankly speaking I was skeptical about this machine. It seemed to me that it was too difficult to operate. However, practice showed that this was the machine we needed. The competent advice saved me time and helped me to avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made if I had made the choice myself.